Today is fly day. We're gonna go fly with Benjamin.
We don't have. He says we don't have to go to customs.
You don't have to? We're not even bringing luggage, so check in. No wash spots, but I got my blanket. I got his hoodie on. Watch, I show you. I got his hoodie. I got this. I got nylons under my pants. I am prepared. Ready to go. Know what, buddy? Yes, I am. I think Benjamin is going to be cold. I think your father's going to be cold, but he says no. He hardly wears clothes. Yeah. Anstrapa fora.
It's not like I would just wear more. Considering you get cold, that's the only thing.
Yeah.
I get cold. I get hot when you put your heat.
Okay, we'll see. We'll let you guys know.
Those people.
They're talking about the plane. Benjamin checked the bag, which is in his trunk. He says nobody ever touches it, but he checked it just in case. And what's inside the bag?
All my medical certificate.
All his medical stuff.
You need it on
He needs it on the plane, he says, okay? So we got that. Check number 1. Passengers, check number 2. We arrived at the airport. We're at the Plymouth airport. This is where Benjamin flies out of. We could have done New Bedford, but he's more accustomed to this one.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, we can float it.
I can't believe. Look at our plane. Well, not our plane. Benjamin rented out. I got my blankie. Oh, be careful over there before I fall. I just need to record. Well, I'll record it. I want to take a picture before going in, though. Look how big this thing is.
Oh my god.
Oh God.
This
This is where I get all my prayer in tongues.
Get your prayers up to date.
Exactly.
Get my prayers up to date. The fuel
Exactly.
check, the fuel gauge.
Shit. That's it. We got headphones. They give us headphones so we can keep in contact with one another.
Yeah, this is the important part, so maybe.
Okay. Plane's taking off. We all have our headsets on. Ready? Benjamin doesn't have his headsets on. We're not ready. We don't even have the plane started yet. I got my blanket.
Oh, we are ready for
Have
this.
your gloves, buddy? 'Cause
Yeah,
she
I
had
got gloves. I have gloves. I don't.
Okay.
Oh, he's shutting off.
He's going through the list, double check, everything's okay.
Prop is clear.
So they said, clear, check. Check, that too. Stuck my way, check
Clear.
1, 2. Where are we going? He started. Fuel gauge, tá gasolina, tá bom.
Temperature, pressure.
Oil pressure, tá bom.
Let's go up.
Looks good.
Goes on.
Very nice, looking good. Nothing on you, huh? Hey, good job, Marty. Very, very smooth.
It's that time of year to visit the Azorean Restaurant and Bar in Gloucester. For 20 years, the Braga family has shared recipes and wines from their native Portugal to become one of the North Shore's most beloved restaurants. You'll feel right at home in the Azorean's cozy, authentic atmosphere. Enjoy traditional and original dishes like cataplanas and tapas, as well as the freshest seafood from America's oldest seaport. Sip from a long list of seasonal cocktails and cordials that'll keep you warm all winter long. From soups and sandwiches to pizzas and decadent desserts, the Azorean menu has something for everyone, with specials every day and night. Reserve the private function room for any holiday or special occasion. Gather with the whole family or sit at the bar to watch the big game. And before you leave, do a little grocery shopping at the Mercearia Portuguesa or buy a gift card for that special someone. Who's in the mood for Portuguese food? The Azorean, 133 Washington Street, Gloucester.
this. Oh, you push brake pads. Look at this. Top kitty. All right, so this is the plane. Look, we came in. That's pretty cool. Enough for you to say, but he flew like a champ. Look at this. So all the logos are flying. They are loaded.
So, at the airport, they let you take a rental car to go get something to eat.
Huh?
This is the best. I'm
The name of
telling
this
you.
town is what? Portsmouth? Portsmouth.
Portsmouth. Isn't that next to Joni Lennon?
I'm not sure.
Oh, look at my G-Wagon.
In blue, huh?
Oh, snap.
Hey, that's a big one. That's a
Somebody
nice
stole my G-Wagon and they changed the
fitty.
color.
one. That's G. They call it G now.
Mm-hmm. We got Tootsie Rolls.
GG.
What did you get? You got a Tootsie Roll too?
Oh, he got a Tootsie Roll. I got a mint.
You got a mint? Oh, nice.
Hold on the door. That's right, buddy. So complimentary of the airport. Já vês, não? Very nice. Okay. A gente agora vai comer aqui. The airport is right there. Pretty cool.
Okay, so the name of the restaurant is Grill 28. And we're gonna go see what we have. They have chicken salad, so we're good.
We should have flew south out of Mosquito instead of flying up.
The winds were
The winds in the clouds.
yeah,
We stopped over.
it was good. Starting off with onion soup to warm up. If I taste it, especially in New Hampshire. Look at my sandwich. Look at Benjamin's sandwich. That looks good.
That's quick, huh?
Oh, that
Thank
was.
you so
You're
much.
so welcome. That looks awesome.
Right there, that's a plane. That's what we should be flying. That one has hydraulics. It doesn't have no cables. And it's smooth, 100% smoother.
This would be super cute for Benjamin.
There we go again. On our way back. On our way back.
I'm gonna fly this time.
There you go. Why not? I really enjoyed this. This was off the hook, buddy. Thank you so much
Yeah, no problem. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm
for
glad you guys
taking
enjoyed
us. All right, so we had to do a little voice over the video because so much noise.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so buddy, tell us how long this took for you, buddy.
Oh, the whole process.
The whole
Because I was
2
only
years,
flying.
never.
Yeah, I was only flying once or twice a week. Which, if I had to give any conseils
Yeah,
to the people,
correct.
if you just save the whole thing in one shot and then only do it when you can really dedicate a lot of time, it'll save you probably 20 to 25% on the cost if you fly 3 or 4 times a week. So it took about 2.5 years to get it all done. So yeah,
And also you live in a place that it's winter and you can't fly. In
Yes,
the winter time.
yeah. So some people I know fly. They like move to Florida for 2 months or a month or whatever, and they do the whole license in 1 month. And there's arguments about if that's better or worse for like your ability, because the thing. But But yeah, it was about 2.5 years for how I did it.
You did a really awesome job, especially landing and like, cause I was, you know, worried about the landing because such a small plane.
Casual shit. All right, so this area right here, this is Boston. That's the logo.
That's Boston Logan. So we're
Logan
flying
Airport.
over Logan. We got clearance to fly over Logan.
Look, if you guys can see that red roof right there, that's the new addition that they did in Logan.
Yeah, the new international terminal.
Beautiful. It's amazing. Like you see planes going underneath you, above you. Ikma, somebody.
Yeah, it's very.
And I like how you talk to the headquarters.
Yeah.
Any little thing that you do with a plane, you always.
Yeah, not to get too in depth,
Yeah.
right? So because we're in controlled airspace, which means like we're above Boston, we have to listen to them. They tell us where to fly, how high to fly, things like that. So we had to be on with air traffic control.
Hey, imagine the perceived nada when you're talking to those guys.
You get used to it over time.
Wow.
It's not. Yeah.
It's I found it amazing.
Yeah, it's a awesome experience. If you've never done it, it's an awesome.
I was even asking you, like, okay, you're on your route. You tell them where you want to go. All of a sudden, you say, you decide, hey, I want to go see that mountain. You can get off the route.
Yes.
right?
Yeah. You can ask for rerouting and stuff. And
But you always have to let them know.
well, because we were in controlled airspace, so if you're in uncontrolled airspace, you can fly around wherever you want.
I got
not
you.
wherever you want, but that's
Yeah.
an oversimplification. But yeah, you can fly wherever you want to go.
Maybe like North Carolina, like dead states more.
Yeah, I mean, what I'm trying to say is there's rules to what you can do when you're not talking to anybody, but you can fly basically wherever you want to fly.
All right, now this airport here
This
is Plymouth.
This
yeah.
is Plymouth when we were coming down to land.
That's a huge airport.
It is very large, yeah.
You
Yeah.
can actually land SATAs over there.
Yeah.
Why come a SATA not tá indo pra ali?
It's not that large, but the runways
Please,
are close.
a SATA can land on that.
It's also uncontrolled. So when we were in Plymouth, we weren't talking to air traffic control. We were just making traffic advisories. So we were telling all the other pilots, hey, this is where we are. This is what we're doing. So there's no tower. When we got off with Boston Approach, we went and talked to the common traffic advisory at Plymouth.
That's awesome.
So yeah, this is coming
And
to
I
land.
also flew the plane just for the record.
Yes,
Yes,
you
we
did.
did, yes, absolutely.
Benjamin recorded you, right?
Yeah, he did a little bit, yeah. So he's coming down to the land. You were doing a great job, buddy.
Yeah.
Thank you. I
We
appreciate
We are very proud of
Thank
you.
you. I appreciate it.
I think
Man.
everybody already knows.
Oh,
we're
Yeah.
And then quick shout out for if you're interested in flying and you're in the Plymouth area, Alpha One is the flight school that I went to. Justin was my flight instructor. They all have fantastic flight instructors. If you're interested, you don't even have to want to be a pilot. You can just go and take an introductory flight. They'll let you fly the plane. It's a great experience.
That's cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's cool. Look at this landing. Look at this. Smooth.
Wow. And it was windy.
Good job. Yeah, yeah.
And it was really windy, but he did an awesome job. My God.
I really like it was the complimentary car. That was
Oh, the
awesome.
complimentary,
Yeah.
Yeah, for the rent a car.
All right, guys. Sorry about in the beginning of the video. It was a little noisy, the plane. Next time we try to go in on the jet. No,
Yes.
a
next
dual
time.
engine. All right, guys. All the best. We love you guys. And Happy New Year to you guys.
Cool.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
You're here. Awesome. They got the tiny little trucks over there. Gorgeous. Tiny plane.
Probably that's how it was. So did you have fun?
The best.
It was awesome.
Very nice experience.
Yeah. So he can stop flying now. I got my lunch. I got my flying thing. I'm good.
Good job, buddy.
Good job, buddy. We're talking about you, how bad it was. No. Yes.
Oh, I think I come salt.